Hey, so what do you think about this sneeze guard?
Well, this is first of all, it's very strong and it's amazing. Like now I feel safe. I don't have to worry about if somebody sneezes or cough or anything. I'm safe. So it's great. It feels so good. Like I'm like 100% of safe. Well, thank you so much for helping me with this. And that's all.
What did you have here before we installed the sneeze guard in?
I had a plastic shell. I just covered it with a plastic shell, and now look. If you see my top row, there's so many holes in there. Honestly, and it feels so bad right now. And it's kind of ugly right now. I don't know what to do with it now. Well, this is perfect. It is strong. Even if you open the windows now, you don't have to worry about it. When there was a plastic, like with the wind, it was so noisy. Right now, like just open the window. It's a thick plastic. It's safe. So,
What did your passengers think about your plastic before?
well, I was like telling them, I'm sorry. I know it's kind of noisy. Like as soon as you open the window, it makes so much noise. Because the plastic was keep moving. So obviously they were not happy with it. But this, I think they're gonna be super, super happy.
Okay. Well, thank you and enjoy it. And,
Thank you so much. Thank you. I
Be
really
safe and healthy.
Yes, thank you.